So first thing is the Pythagorean identity. Now, if you, I actually not real sure what it is. Sine squared x, I do know sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equal to 1. We want secant. So I'm going to divide through by, I'm just deriving the identity because I really only have this one memorized. So sine squared over cosine squared, that's tangent squared x plus 1 equals secant squared x. Okay? And that's one of the identities. So I'm going to replace, so that we only have to deal with tangent. I'm going to replace secant squared x with tangent squared x plus 1. Minus 6 tangent x equals negative 4. Next thing I think I'd do would add 4, so we have 0. And then write tangent squared x minus 6 tangent x plus 5 equals 0. We're going to factor that. Now, if you want to think of it in terms of a polynomial or a quadratic, u squared minus 6u plus 5, then you might do something like u minus 5 times u minus 1 for the factoring. So that is tangent of x minus 5 times tangent of x plus 1 equals 0. So tangent of x is 5, or tangent of x is negative 1. Right? Can I skip that? Yes.
Wouldn't it be minus 1?
Yes, yes. It would be minus 1. Thank you for catching that. Okay. So tangent of x equals 1. All right. Now, okay, this one I know I can get. If you think of your unit circle, tangents were, when it's 1, it's where sine over cosine, where sine and cosine are the same. And so that's at pi over 4. It's also here at 5, right, pi over 4 here. It's also at 5 pi over 4. And we could go plus 2 pi n, and 5 pi over 4 plus 2 pi n. And then that's one we could consolidate. Pi over 4 plus pi n. All right, now tangent of x equals 5. X would be the inverse tangent of 5. Right? Okay. Now, or arctan of 5. If we want exact, we'd have to kind of stop here. Now, there would be 2 places where that ratio of sine over cosine is 5, and would be up here. So, and it would kind of, I think, like right around here, where the sine's a whole lot more than the cosine, and positive 5, and down here, the negative sign is a whole lot more than the negative cosine there. Okay? If I want exact values, I would go x equals inverse tangent 5 plus pi n, just like I did here, because those would be on the same. Now, I tried to avoid anything that wasn't a unit circle so you could get the angle.
But wouldn't, well, just like for this one, isn't arctan only on the right side of the? Unit circle?
Right,
Okay.
right. Just so that one, but we can have other angles that if you take the tangent of it, you're going to get 5.
Okay.
And this will take in those other ones that are not in that part of it. Yes.
Why wouldn't it just be undefined? It's on the unit circle and the highest it possibly goes to? Oh, sorry, not 2.
Now, tangent can do, you can go as high as you want for tangent.
Oh, because of the ratio?
Yeah.
Oh, it's sine and cosine.